Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I am going to be doing a video on me putting together a birthday / Easter basket gift. This particular gift that I am putting together, I am doing it for the purpose of a birthday, but it is certainly something that you could also do for an Easter basket, and this would be for an adult. Just to let you know, not only children get to enjoy Easter, adults can also have something nice too. So I'm going to put this together and show you what I'm doing, and maybe it'll give you some ideas on something that you can do for somebody special in your life. Now, this particular basket I am doing for my sister. She had a birthday about a month ago, maybe a little bit more, and I had given her a card, but she was out of town. And I just completely forgot about giving her a birthday gift. And I just, one day was sitting there thinking, and I was like, I don't think I ever gave her anything. So what I had decided to do was just put her a few little items in a basket, because that's something that I enjoy doing. And then I thought, well, it's getting close to Easter now, and maybe I could do it kind of like an Easter basket. And there was a particular Easter basket that I really love at the Dollar Tree, and you have seen it on the thumbnail, so you know what it is. But they had this little basket out last year, and I loved it so much. I got it, I think, for my mother and my father at the time. And so that is the basket that I chose this time. I also felt like that this little basket was something that she could use at a later date for something else that she might want, she might want to do something with. Everything I tried to make sure it would be something that she could use or, repurpose or whatever. And if there's items in this basket that is not her cup of tea, it will not hurt my feelings if she wants to regift it. So anyway, I'm going to show you everything first that I got to put into her little birthday bucket, and then after that I'm going to show you how I put it together. So I am going to start with the bucket first, just because that's what I was talking about. And so this is the little Easter basket that I decided to go with, or bucket. These little buckets are really big, really a nice size, and very deep. I really like this little chick. They also have a bunny one that's similar to this, and the little chick has little feet here. I can't remember if the bunny does or not. I've got it in my office, but I haven't looked at it in quite a while. So anyway, this is the little bucket that I'm going to be putting all of her goodies in, and I needed one this size because of all the stuff that I got. And this is not a theme. Like I said, it's just random stuff that I went around the store and picked up because I thought it would be something that she would find very useful. So I did want to go ahead and get a couple of snacks, but I didn't want to do a whole lot. So I did pick up some of these pretzel crisps. These are very good. We buy these at Walmart sometimes. Just really like them, especially if you're not sure what somebody's taste is or things that they, snacks they like to eat. Pretzels is kind of like a universal snack, so I did pick up these. And then I also picked up some of this Lindt Lindor milk chocolate truffle bar. I did try and find more of the name brand chocolate because, like me, I know she don't care for Palmer and Russell Stover chocolate. I think she does like Hershey, but I couldn't remember, so I did want to kind of stick with a name brand. So I did pick up that. And then the other chocolate that I got was this Godiva milk chocolate. It says Caramel Lion of Belgium. So I got that. And I think there's like 4 little squares in here. And then something else that I picked up for candy. I did pick up some hard candy. This is Werther's Original, and this is creamy caramel filled hard candies. So it's hard candy, but it has the caramel filling or caramel filling. And then this one is just caramel hard candies, and this does not have the filling. So I am going to mix those two together, and what I'm going to be putting those in is this cute little bunny bag. I did haul this, I think, in my last Dollar Tree haul, or it may have been the one before. And you do get 2 of these in a set, so the other one is going to somebody else. But I am going to put those hard candies in this little bag here. And then I also picked up some of these clips because, these are such good clips and you can use them for so many different things. Again, I did put these in my last haul, so I apologize if y'all are having to see these again. I also got her some antibacterial wet wipes. I think everybody can use these. This is something that I always keep in my car, and especially with all of the sickness and stuff going around right now, this is a must-have. So I got her some of those. I also picked her up some of these lens wipes. They're 12 packs and they're individually wrapped, and they're supposed to be, it's not supposed to scratch your lenses or anything. It says non-abrasive, soft, microfine tissue. And it says gentle and thorough cleaning. Easily removes smudges and dirt for a streak-free shine. And sometimes I think having something like this in your pocketbook or your bag is just a lot easier than having to tote around a spray bottle with one of those little cloths that, you know, after you use it so many times, it's going to get dirty anyway and you have to wash it. So anyway, I did pick those up. Be interesting to find out how she likes them. And then I picked up some of this hand lotion. This is the Utterly Smooth Hand Cream. And they do sell bigger versions of this at Walmart. I really like this hand cream. It's very thick and it's good for dry skin, but it don't leave your skin greasy. And it also does not have a smell. So if you're not sure about what somebody likes as far as scents go, or if it's somebody that does not like strong scents, this is definitely something nice to get them. So I did pick up that. I'm also going to give her this little notebook here. I did haul this again in my last Dollar Tree haul. So this is the one I picked up to stick into her basket. And then I also got some of this roll-on Aroma Guru in peppermint. These are really nice. I have gotten some of these in the past. I think I got lavender, and I probably also got a peppermint because I got every one that they had. But this is basically a little roller ball, and it's already mixed with the carrier oil so that you do not have to do that. And it's 100% pure and natural essential oil. On the back, it does tell you what the peppermint oil is good for. It says it's a natural vapor rub. It helps heal itchy skin. It soothes tired feet. It awakens the mood. It helps ease headaches and helps increase focus. I also know that peppermint also helps with nausea and things like that. So I think this is something really good because it's got multiple uses. And then she likes to play, I guess it's Sudoku. I've not played this before, but I think she had told me in the past that she did play this. And they do have a new series of these books out with different patterns than the last ones they had out. This is by Crown Jewels. It's got the little elastic band here to hold it closed. And then, you know, it's got the pages inside with the different puzzles for you that you can work. And then, of course, in the back, it's got the answers. So I thought that was really pretty. I'm going to put that in there for her. And also, something that I found in the Crafter Square that I thought was really interesting. This is an organizer box. Now, when you look at this, you're going to know exactly. It looks like a pill box, but this is a lot bigger than the pill box. I do use one like this for my medicine, but I like this because it's small, but it's big enough that you could put a lot of different items in. You could put buttons in here. You could put sequins, you know, just so many different things. My sister is a crafter. She does a lot of card making and things like that. And so I thought she would definitely find a use for this cute little container. So I got her that. And then something else I picked up, only because I was very surprised to see this at the Dollar Tree. And I thought that this was definitely something that she could repurpose or reuse. Maybe not like it is now, but because she is so crafty and does so many wonderful things, I thought she could definitely put this to use. This is a shadow box. And it's already got like little star confetti in here, but it does come with a mat for two different, I think it's, let me see what the size of this is. It's like your standard wallet size pictures, 2x3 pictures. So if you wanted to use this mat and put pictures in it, you could. You could also take these stars out. You could take this mat out, and then you could put whatever you want to in here. She does a lot of really beautiful 3D cards. You know, I thought she might want to display one of these in one of these little shadow boxes. You can also paint this, you know, a different color if she didn't like the black. And then if she wanted to put confetti in here or something else, a different kind, she could, or she could just leave the stars. But the back has got a hanger right here, and then also a place to hang it right here. So, and this is in, like, actually indented into this piece here. It's not something that sticks out. So this would lay flat against your wall. And this isn't made out of that same stuff. A lot of their picture frames are almost made out of, it looks to me like a really hard styrofoam. Sometimes if you're not careful, those little pieces that you bend back can actually break off. This is not like that. This is actually hard plastic. And these little pieces here are the kind that are on like a little brad, and then you just kind of rotate it out and then tuck it back under here so that you can secure the back onto that, so that you can see how really nice this is for $1. And I did not see any more like this. This was kind of sitting off by itself, so I don't even really know if this was something new or something old that was just left over. But I did get her that. And then they also have a new ribbon out that is really, really cute. I don't use a whole lot of this kind of ribbon, but I think she does when she's making cards and stuff. But they were just so cute. I could not resist getting these. This one here is, it looks like little teepees to me, and cactuses, kind of like in a desert. I hope you can see it. It kind of looks a little blurry to me. But I just thought those were really cute. I'm trying to back off. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. And then this one here is some llamas with little cactuses. And then this one here is just like little farm stuff, organic, little pigs, cows, the little barn. It says country, family, home, farm fresh, moo. I mean, just like all kinds of cute little things on here. There's even a little chicken, little sunshine. I just thought this ribbon was so cute, and I'm sure that she will definitely be able to find something that she can use this for in her craft. I have no doubt that she will put this to good use, so I did get that for her. And then the last thing that I picked up was some of this decorative shred. I really like getting white because white goes with everything, and I think white just makes everything look so much more classy. But for some reason, my Dollar Trees for the last year, it seems, has had every color but white. So I really thought this color was pretty, and it would definitely go well with the yellow and the little blue bow tie and the duck. So I did pick up this real pretty blue color, and that is what I'm going to be using in it as well. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to go ahead and put her gift together so that you can see how I put all of this in there, and you know, what the presentation is going to be. So this actually wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. It actually took me putting this in and taking it out several times before I could get it in to where I was happy with it. I do like to put something in the bottom of my bucket so that things stand up. I don't like everything recessed down into the bucket. Of course, you can't see every single thing, but everything's kind of spread out where you can see the majority of what's in there. I did put some of this shredded paper in here before, but then at the end I also just stuffed it in little holes here and there. I think that worked out really good because what it did was it helped fill in a lot of the space in between these items that was causing them to fall down or slide down in between each other. So it does kind of like make everything a little bit more tighter packed. Overall, I think it turned out cute. I had a lot of stuff that I got in here, and everything is pretty secure. Of course, you can always use glue dots and other things like that if you have things that you want to stand up that tend to slide around a little bit. But just make sure if you do get the glue dots, you get the ones that are removable. So anyway, this is the birthday present that I'm going to give my sister. This would also make a great Easter basket for somebody. And I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some ideas on something that you can do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.